Hello, Wild Chefs! Charlie here, and today we're making a super cute, kid-friendly Christmas treat, Snowman Fruits.
Here's what we need: vanilla yogurt, strawberries, blueberries, mini marshmallows, pretzel sticks, and whipped cream.
Start by scooping some vanilla yogurt into your cup. And this is our winter snow.
Now stack 2 strawberries on top of each other to make the body and head of our snowman.
Time for the face. Add 2 blueberries for eyes and a mini marshmallow for the nose. Parents, help with this part. Break a pretzel stick in half and add little arms. Our snowman is ready for a Christmas hug.
Look at that! A Christmas snowman fruit cup. Cute, healthy, and totally fun to make with your family.
Thanks for cooking with me, Wild Chefs. Remember to like, subscribe, and share these Christmas smiles.
Stay wild, stay kind, and Merry Christmas!
And before we go, I want to give a big Wild Chef shout out to Rev, my very first subscriber. Thank you for joining the Wild Chef family, Rev. You're awesome.